Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making pineapple sorbet. This recipe is great if you have canned pineapple and don't know what to do with it, have some pineapple that's turning, or just want an easy to make, delicious, and refreshing treat. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. Prepare the pineapple either by draining the can, save the juice for the recipe, or by peeling and slicing it from its core and chopping it into blendable pieces. I like to save the peel and the core and add them to water. It makes a deliciously refreshing pineapple drink. I also might eat some along the way and share a few pieces with my roaming dinos. Place the pineapple in a blender along with half a cup of granulated sugar. Blend for at least 3 minutes, pulsing along the way and making sure the pineapple turns into a liquid. The less chunky, the more sorbet it will be. And now for some dino news. A University of Bristol master's student researching reptile fossils from limestone quarries discovered the Kuniosaur, a 200 million year old flying reptile, which looked like lizards but were more closely related to the ancestors of crocodilians and dinosaurs. Kuniosaurs were small animals the size of a palm. There were two different species, though, one with extensive wings and one with shorter wings, both of which extended from their ribs, allowing them to swoop from tree to tree. Just not a pineapple tree, 'cause that's not a thing. Now, add 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup either of reserved pineapple juice or whatever juice you have around. I'm using apple juice. Put the lid back on and blend again for another minute. Pause and add 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped mint, or dried if you don't have fresh. It's going to blend in, so it won't matter. And if you don't like mint, you can add some cinnamon instead, or nothing. And blend again without breaking your lid. As usual, I cannot get mine on. Blend for another minute, just so the spices are combined. I'm going to use 6 ramekins, but you can also use small bowls or cups. Pour an even amount into the vessel of your choice and place them in the freezer for at least 4 hours so they are fully set. Otherwise, you can just drink the delicious soup. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's Kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.